Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the powerful features of the McCulloch MC1275 heavy-duty steam cleaner, your ultimate solution for chemical-free, pressurized cleaning. This versatile steam cleaner comes with 18 accessories, making it perfect for tackling grime and stains on a variety of surfaces, including floors, tiles, windows, and more. With a robust 1500 watts of power, it heats up in under 8 minutes and offers up to 45 minutes of continuous steam, thanks to its large 48-ounce water tank. Equipped with an extra-long 15.7-foot power cord and a 9-foot steam hose, it ensures superior reach and maneuverability for those hard-to-reach areas. The MC1275 is designed to meet U.S. voltage requirements and is backed by a 2-year hassle-free warranty, with customer support based in Andover, Kansas. Whether you're cleaning ceramic tile, sealed wood flooring, or even your car, this steam cleaner delivers high-pressure steam at 43 psi to naturally eliminate grease and grime. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to a cleaner, healthier home with the McCulloch MC1275. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.